In this video, I'm going to show you how to forecast college savings in Origin Financial. Let's get started. From the main menu, find the Forecasting section and click on it. This is where you can plan future financial goals and see how different life events affect your long-term net worth, savings, and monthly cash flow. Once you're inside the forecasting page, look for the Add a Life Event button. Click on that, and a list of planning options will appear on your screen. From here, choose College Savings. If you already created a child profile in your forecast, especially with a birth year like 2026, you can simply build the college savings plan from that existing event. After selecting the event, estimated tuition cost, enter the expected college start year and end year. Click Save, and Origin will automatically calculate how this goal impacts your future finances. You can then review the updated forecast chart to see if you are on track and make adjustments anytime. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.